Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to share 10 amazing tips to grow ZZplant, also known as Zanzibar Zem. Scientific name of this plant is Zamioculcas Zamifolia. Let's go. First, very important tip is soil. Well-draining potting soil is very important for ZZplant. It should not contain the stagnant water inside the pot. While preparing potting mix, you have to take 1 part of coco peat and 1 part of garden soil and 1 part of organic compost like kitchen compost, vermicompost or cow dung. Any organic compost you can take 1 part and 1 part of sand. These proportion you have to take for potting mix while growing ZZplant. Second very important tip is fertilizer. You can use organic homemade liquid fertilizer for ZZplant once in 3 weeks. If you want to know how to prepare homemade organic liquid fertilizer, you can see my previous video. Link has been given in description. You can use banana peel water, rice water or onion peel water for the plant. Don't over fertilize the plant. It will burn the plant. If you are having solid fertilizer, once in 5 weeks you can give to ZZplant. 2 spoons is enough for the plant for 1 pot. Third one is, if your ZZplant leaves are turning yellow and dropping its leaves, it means you are overwatering ZZplant. If your plant facing this problem, minimize the watering and check the drainage holes properly. If possible, add sand to the potting mix to make the potting mix dry. Only water if the top 2 inches of the soil is completely dry, then only water ZZplant. Keep it in mind. Next one is pruning. It is a low maintenance plant, so no need to remove all branches. Only you have to remove yellow leaves or dead leaves from the plant. Occasionally you have to prune the ZZplant. Next important tip is repotting. Here you can see my plant. Roots are coming outside from the pot. They are protruding, so this is the time I have to repot my plant. While repotting only, you can propagate the plant at the same time. Here you can see the rhizome of my plant. I am dividing rhizomes. Next important tip is propagation. Here, as I told you, you have to divide the rhizomes of the Zangiber Zem plant. Here this is the rhizome, divided rhizome, you can see right side. This you have to propagate as the new plant. Here I am dividing into 3 parts my mother plant. So each part will grow as a new plant. Propagation through rhizomes is the best method to propagate ZZplant. Easiest method also. It will survive easily through rhizomes. Here you can see how I have divided into 3. Next very important tip is, if you want to maintain healthy lifestyle, this is the best indoor plant. This is the best indoor oxygen giving and air purifying plant. It can remove toxins in the air like toluene, xylene, ethyl benzene and carbon dioxide as well as carbon monoxide from your indoors. So try to grow these type of plants which can increase the oxygen levels at your indoors. Next one is sunlight. It can tolerate low light conditions, but direct sunlight can burn the plant. Place the plant where it can get lots of indirect sunlight to grow well. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe Shasgardentech. Next important tip is, if you have a hot weather, if you are growing ZZplant outdoors or in terrace garden, spray water on the top of the plant mornings and evenings to maintain the humidity levels of the plant. This will enhance the growth of ZZplant. Last and very important tip is, if you have pests on your ZZplant, take 2 tablespoons of neem oil, mix with 1 gallon of water and spray on the plant after watering. If you want to know more about ZZplant health benefits and how to grow descriptively, you can watch my previous video which is in my playlist. If you want to know more about air purifying plants, this is also in my channel section, air purifying plants. Just watch those videos. If you like my videos, if you think it is useful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.